Greetings, this is Superintendent Bedell with Thursday Thoughts. This week, I want to focus on inclement weather decisions. As you all know, these are very difficult decisions that a superintendent and his or her team have to make. And I could tell you personally, having now, I'm in year 9.5 of being a superintendent, these decisions insert a significant amount of stress and in some cases trauma, because you want to make sure as a leader that you're making the right decision. But I want to just kind of briefly talk to you all about what goes into that process. We meet multiple times to track weather patterns. We think about the impact on extracurriculars. We think about the impact on those who have to travel to and from our county that may commute here to work. We think about school buses and our ability to ensure that we can safely get kids to and from school. So there is a lot that goes into making these decisions to ensure that safety above all else prevails when dealing with inclement weather. I will tell you that in my 9.5 years, I in most cases have yet to have received praise by 100% of people for decisions that we've made. But what I can tell you is that the decisions that I have made along with the teams I've worked with have been the most sound, informed decisions that have ensured that safety above all else prevails. So for those of you who don't understand the process, please take a look at this screen, and there is the website where you can access what our procedures are. We have a video, we have written procedures and processes in place. And here's the last piece that I want to share with you. When I was hired in 2022, I walked into a school system that did not end the school year until June 24th. I was shocked, but it was because of the number of inclement weather days that the school district had incurred that resulted in having to extend the end of the school year. We have an opportunity to tackle that. House Bill 226, our scheduling bill that we've tried to get passed through our legislation over the last 2 years. And we think that that would allow for us to work and negotiate with our unions around ensuring that we can protect people's summer by not having us to extend these weather days into the end of the school year. So we are asking you all for your support with that matter. And again, I just want to make sure that you all understand we don't take the decisions lightly when we have to make these decisions to ensure that our students and that you all as a community and those of you who are parents and guardians in this school system, that you are able to operate in a safe manner on those types of days. This is Superintendent Bedell checking out with Thursday Thoughts.